We're at Vision Engineering in Woking. Now, they are known for the metrology equipment, but they've got a fully kitted out machine shop, milling, turning, painting, etc. We're actually in their turning cell. They've got some great machines, manual lathes, sliding head lathes, but some of their latest investments, Mazak Hyper Quadrex machines, and this one in particular, an absolute beast of a machine. Zoltan, just tell me all about it, please.
Yeah, this is a twin spindle double turret machine. It works on the X, Y, Z and the C axis, and it has the latest control, the smooth control.
So you like using it?
I do enjoy.
Okay, that's brilliant. Now what I want to do is start at that end, because it's not just a fixed head lathe. You've geared up so it can run 24/7. So start that end. What's happened there?
That's right. You got a bar feeder at the back. You got a front part catcher and this bespoke part catcher on the back of the machine.
Okay, just going back though, in terms of bar, what size bar will it take?
2 and 5/8 inch.
And then in the chuck?
5 inches.
Okay, so some fairly big parts there. But you mentioned twin spindle, twin direct, loads of axes, you've got smooth control, but you've also got from Hydrofeed at the other end a bespoke parts catcher?
It is. It's bespoke part catcher. Basically, it's a container filled up with oil. So when the parts drop in, they don't get damaged.
Right. So essentially, this is a really flexible machine and geared up to run 24/7. But flexibility, I think we need to see some parts. So first of all, this part, Zoltan, talk me through this quickly.
Yeah, it's a small part. Yep. Normally it's done on the sliding head machine, but in this case you can see it shows the flexibility of the machine. Yep. Small part, a bit of turning, well, the majority is turning, a bit of milling, threaded outside, threaded inside.
Yeah, really thin, I mean, what's pitch on that?
0.5 pitch. Very thin wall.
Okay, cool. So essentially you can do what I'd say sliding head jobs on this, but let's have a look at some next. The one here you're actually manufacturing at the moment. I mean, this is quite a complex part, I understand.
It is indeed. It's a billet job, and it's done using the chuck transfer. Yep. So you can precisely keep the position from one operation to the other.
Yeah. So essentially making sure you're really accurate parts.
That's right. Yep. Yeah. And you need to. This part it's quite tied up. Yeah. It has a lot of features, and it's very useful that we have this meter machine which can handle this job.
So it basically makes it really easy to do complex parts. So we'll look at that one you're machining at the moment. One final bit, Zoltan. This part, one you prepared earlier?
Yes, it's another example. There is quite a bit of milling going on, and it's supported our Mastercam program.
But just talk me through the operations very briefly, what you've done with this.
Yeah, basically turning on this side, bit of milling on this side, yeah. And when it went through the chuck transfer, turning and milling again. Yeah.
And again, all made very easy on this Mazak machine.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Zoltan, that's a great insight into what you can do on this machine in their turning cell. That's Vision Engineering down in Woking in Surrey.